Hello, my name is Ryan, and I am here to introduce you to 3 new products from the manufacturer Autohome. These are 3 alarm clocks, as you can see here. We'll give you a close-up of them here in a second. The designer of these clocks is obsessed with cars, so these are a perfect product for someone who is obsessed with cars. Okay, here is the first design, which has the tire with the silver base, and I'll go ahead and play you the sound.
Good morning.
That's the sound that all 3 alarm clocks play. It is based on a V8 engine. The second design is based on these red calipers on the wheel, and here's this sound.
Good morning.
All 3 clocks actually turn, and they all have this really simple control system. These ones just have an on, off for the alarm, and then the demo mode, which will play the sound as long as you want. And on the back, you've got traditional clock controls, so you can set the time. The final design has the caliper design with a wheel base. And as you can see, the controls are a little different on this one. They're just pedals: alarm on, alarm off, demo on, demo off. And the controls in these are really precise. The clock parts are precise. They're accurate to within a 1-second error in a 24-hour period, so you will not have to reset these clocks very often. So there you have all 3 designs from these new alarm clocks from Autohome. Once again, that is a designer obsessed with cars for people who are obsessed with cars.